just in case.
Your dog's a pool dog, right, Gracie?
Yes, I took my dog to Kings River yesterday, and Gracie loves the water. My little dog Oliver, he's not so much. He doesn't love it that much.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Almost like a cat. Wow. Well, unfortunately, tonight's not the night for any water play with your pets, unfortunately, because we got
Good one.
We got showers and
Yeah.
storms out there, and you can see just how illuminated the sky is. We're still looking well to the north. What you're seeing, all those flashes of lightning, are still up across McDonald and Newton County. And you can, if you look close enough, you can see all the stars, because in northwest Arkansas, skies are clear. But when we get those flashes of lightning, you can see the clouds, those thunderstorm clouds way off in the distance. Same thing here in Springdale. Kind of a warning sign from Mother Nature as of what is to come. We have a severe thunderstorm watch now for northwest Arkansas in effect until 3 a.m. That was just issued by the Weather Service within the last hour. We also have a flood watch, which we'll get to in a second. Here's those storms that we're seeing lighting up the night sky across southwest Missouri. As I said, into McDonald, Newton County, points north, and points east towards Springfield. An extremely rough ride on I-44 between Joplin and Springfield. I would not want to be an over-the-road trucker making that drive tonight, because it is not friendly. And we're starting to see some more development back to the west. Basically the entire I-44 corridor. All of this activity will slowly sag to the south and get into northwest Arkansas, especially Benton and Carroll County are the two counties that we are concerned the most about this evening for the rainfall. Now today in Fayetteville, mostly quiet, 92 degrees, 2 degrees above the average, which is 90. Fort Smith is also quiet and will probably stay quiet tonight. 99 today, a degree shy of hitting the century mark. There's a look at that flood watch through 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Intermixed with that, we have some flash flood warnings to our north, where they're seeing all of that extremely heavy rainfall right now. And you can see that tracks with the moderate risk for excessive rainfall in that part of Missouri. But that does snake down into Benton and Carroll County. So we'll have to see how that verifies as we go through the rest of the overnight hours. We're in the 80s right now in northwest Arkansas. The atmosphere is plenty ripe with heat and humidity for numerous showers and storms as this cold front slowly sags its way through the area. Behind the front, much cooler, much less humid air. That will get here for tomorrow. Models are saying, yeah, here comes some of that convection. It's a little further south than what is actually happening right now, which is why we treat the models as a guide and not gospel. But once we get on the other side of midnight, you can see a lot of that starts to get into northwest Arkansas, with the possibility of severe thunderstorms, very heavy rainfall, maybe some hail as well. But probably by the middle of the night, 3, 4 a.m., the worst of it is off to the east, and we're left with just scattered variety showers. So at the bus stop tomorrow morning, besides residual runoff, I think for the most part, things should be nice and quiet. Notice the River Valley saw almost no activity from this system. If we're going to see severe thunderstorms, the further north you get toward the Missouri line, that's where the chances increase quite greatly. And many locations in northwest Arkansas and the further north you go could see several inches of rain by the time the sun comes up tomorrow. 60s and 70s for our lows tonight. Back a very nice day tomorrow for high temperatures, 70s and lower 80s. A very brief taste of fall for the next couple of days, folks, with overnight lows in the lower to mid 50s in some locations. Then summer says not so fast, starts coming back by the time we get to next weekend. If you're headed to Suhr, NWA, it should be a great weekend. Not expecting very windy conditions, which is good news. River Valley, the same thing. Very comfortable the next few days before summer starts to come back by the time we get to Thursday and Friday and beyond, Allison.
Well, the